I am going to dictate a legal passage based on latest judgment of the Supreme Court at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. The instant appeal by the special leave takes exception to the judgment dated 10th October 2011 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras in Writ Petition 1, whereby the division bench of the High Court accepted the writ petition 2 preferred by the private respondents herein 3 and reversed the judgment dated 24th December 2010 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal Madras Bench 4. In original application 5 preferred by the private respondents herein, the CAT had rejected the original application 6, challenging the proposed action of revision and fixation of their seniority in the engine factory Avadi, Chennai 7. Para. The brief facts in a nutshell relevant and essential for the disposal of the instant appeal are noted here in below para. The appellant and the private respondents were engaged on semi-skilled posts such as fitters and mechanists. In respondent number 2, factory, a common select list of candidates based on merit was issued by the general manager of respondent number 2 factory in the year 1995, wherein the appellant herein was placed at a higher position than the private respondent's para. An appointment order dated 17th January 1996 was issued in the favor of the appellant for the post of fitter general within brackets semi-skilled in respondent number 2 factory. He was initially placed on probation for a period of 2 years, which was further extended for a period of 6 months with effect from 17th January 1998. The appellant satisfactorily completed the probation period on 16th July 1998. Thereafter, he was promoted to the skilled grade on 6th January 1999. Para. A draft seniority list dated 28th July 2006 was issued by respondent number 2 factory, whereby the seniority of fitters was fixed as per their respective dates of promotion to the skilled grade, and the appellant was placed at a lower position than the private respondent's para. Aggrieved of the draft seniority list 8, the appellant submitted a representation dated 13th November 2006 to the general manager of respondent number 2 factory seeking necessary amendments in the draft seniority list and to fix his position appropriately, and thereafter to publish a final seniority list. The general manager rejected the aforesaid representation submitted by the appellant by communication dated 9th July 2007, observing that his seniority had been fixed from the date of holding the skilled grade, and thus the position of the appellant in the seniority list was not liable to be altered. Para. Being aggrieved, the appellant preferred original application number 821 of 2007 before the CAT, challenging the draft seniority list dated 28th July 2006. Para. Another employee, namely Mr. P.K. Kumar Sen, who was appointed as a mechanist in respondent number 2 factory in January 1996, also filed original application number 831 of 2007 before the CAT, wherein Mr. P.K. Kumar Sen also claimed that he had to be placed at the 6th position instead of the 27th position as set out in the draft seniority list. Original application prepared by Mr. P. Kumar Sen came to be allowed by the CAT, holding that the seniority fixed in the draft list was incorrect. Stop para. The CAT noted that respondent number 2 factory had allowed the promotion to the juniors of Mr. P.K. Kumar Sen on the ground that he was still undergoing the extended period of probation. The CAT held that it is settled law that once the extended period of probation is completed, the employee should be confirmed in service from the date of initial selection and should be assigned the original rank in the seniority list. Thus, once the extended period of probation came to an end and the employee was found suitable, he had to be confirmed in service, promoted with seniority and all consequential benefits to the next grade with reference to the date of initial appointment. Stop. Thank you.